Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add subtitles in Shotcut, adding and customizing subtitles Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the project that you want to go ahead and add in a subtitle. So I've added already a clip here onto my project, and for us to be able to begin adding subtitles in Shotcut, the first thing that we need to do in here is to add in the text box wherein we could add in our subtitle. So for us to be able to do so, we'll need to add another line in here, just something like this. And to add, we're just gonna right click here. We're just gonna right click here and hover under track operation. We're gonna add a video track. So as you can see, we have added already in here. And then this is for our subtitle. To go ahead and add in our subtitle in here, we're gonna go ahead and click on to open other and click on text. So as you can see, it will go ahead and open something like this. On preset, we're gonna choose transparent and we're gonna type in our text in here. We're gonna add in hi guys. Right after, we're gonna open that one out and it should go ahead and show something like this. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this and then hold it and then we'll drag it here onto our newly added video track. So we're gonna go ahead and place this onto the part wherein we want to see the subtitle. So if you play that, it should go ahead and look something like this. As you can see, it is very big. We could go ahead and try to change that one out. We could resize this just like that, or we could use the font size as well here. Let's make that one smaller. And then we could also position this on where we want to see this onto the video. So it should go ahead and look something like this. And then we're going to copy this one out with a shortcut key Control-C, then Control-V. As you can see, there are two already of this. Let's try to position this first. So over here and this one over here. So onto the second part, we're going to change the text for that one. So we're just going to simply highlight that, change this. And as you can see, it's very small. We're going to Control-A that one out. And then we're going to change the text size to 20. So it should go ahead and look something like this. Make this bigger, and then we could also try to change its font color here. Let's try to change this to black. Click on OK, and then we could also adjust the alignment of text in here. We could pull that italic or add in an underline. So it should go ahead and look something like this. That is how easy you could add in subtitles in Shotcut. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.